In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight all cells that have the same value when searching in Microsoft Excel. This is a very useful trick for quickly spotting duplicates or locating specific data in your spreadsheets. Highlighting matching values makes it easier to analyze your data and ensures nothing gets overlooked, especially in large tables. To start, open your Excel workbook and identify the range of cells you want to search. For example, if you have a list of product names, sales figures, or employee IDs, select the entire column or range that contains these values. This ensures that any matching cells will be included in the search and highlighted properly. Next, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and look for the Conditional Formatting option. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature that allows you to apply visual cues to cells based on their content. Click on Conditional Formatting, then navigate to Highlight Cells Rules and select the option called Duplicate Values. This is the easiest way to highlight cells that contain the same information. Once the Duplicate Values dialog box appears, you can choose the formatting style. Excel provides options like light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill, or green fill. Pick the style that stands out the most for your worksheet so you can easily spot the matching cells. After selecting your preferred style, click OK. Immediately, Excel will highlight all cells within your selected range that contain duplicate values or the same data. If you want to search for a specific value instead of all duplicates, you can use a slightly different approach. First, select your range, then click Conditional Formatting again, but this time choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Format Only Cells That Contain. Enter the exact value you are searching for in the dialog box, then pick a fill color to highlight it. Click OK, and all instances of that specific value in your range will now be highlighted. This method is incredibly helpful when working with large datasets, as it instantly draws attention to matching information, allowing you to take further action like filtering, analyzing, or verifying data accuracy. Using conditional formatting in this way saves time and minimizes mistakes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.